are you?
I am doing great, better than ever.
Positive and energized basically.
I'm fine, I'm doing well.
I'm fine and excited.
May we know where you are currently working at?
I'm working with Jaro Education right now.
Right now, I'm working at Syntax Private Limited.
TCS for the position of Assistant System Engineer.
I am currently working at Byju's.
How can you say your institution had an impact on you securing the job you have right now?
They trained us to interact with the HR and improve our basic communicating skills. They also provided resources and they shared their experience, which helped us to improve our skills.
Well, yes, I said it had quite an impact. We had, specialized training for the placement called a CRT training.
My institute has played a vital role in fetching this offer, especially the placement and training cell. They have provided all sort of multiple programs like CRT program, personality development, then group discussion. They have also organized professional mock interviews, which helped a lot in fetching the job.
CRT training was held in our college. So during the training, we were taught how to prepare for aptitude tests, group discussion etiquettes, and focus on personality development. And several mock interviews were also held, which were really helpful for all of us, and it gave us proper clarity of what exactly we will be facing out there.
If you were to put into words, how would you describe your journey as?
No, it was very easy for us. We got a message or test from the campus recruitment cell regarding there is a interview. So we attended it. It was a face-to-face interview. We interacted with him, and right now I have been selected in that.
Basically, to be honest and direct, the institute has given me that two things which I was chasing from the entire lifetime. The first one was recognition, and the second one was financial freedom.
Byju's was the most anticipated company interview that I was looking forward. So it was good, and I just got to know a lot about how you need to face the interviews and how actually you need to behave in those. So it was good.
It has the journey was marvelous and fantastic overall.
Well, really something like that makes up for an enriching experience. Looking back now, anything you would like to share?
In many ways, my first job helped shape me into who I am today. It taught me the value of hard work, the importance of being dedicated and committing to getting job done. Last but not the least one, the proud feeling you get when you earn your own money. That's what I would like to say.
As far as my experience with this institute is concerned, it was good. Good, really good. Alhamdulillah, I would say, I wouldn't complain about that or anything.
The overall experience in the institute was fantastic. Firstly, from the time I entered into college in first year till the time I've gone into the fourth year, I've achieved a lot, and I've got multiple benefits in the college, many friends and very good faculties over here, and especially the placement and training cell. The placement and training officer was fantastic. She was really good and down to earth, and whenever we need her help, and she has helped us in every possible way, going out of the way basically. Going out of the comfort zone, she has helped us always, and she has played a vital role in fetching this offer.
Suppose you're in the shoes of a junior and you would really like to have an advice from a senior in your position. What would you say back to yourself?
Firstly, the very first thing is that congratulations to all my juniors who have selected this wonderful institute for a mode of getting or achieving this success and aims. And the thing I would like to suggest the juniors is that please grab all the opportunities which are present in the market at the ground level, as well as the institute. Our institute is providing a lot of perks and advantages, so grab that as soon as possible and as much as possible.
One thing I want to suggest to all my juniors is that be confident whether what the situation is, because company knows that you are a fresher, so it is fine even if you make mistakes here and there. But what they will be assessing is how you actually overcome that mistake you did. They will be judging you on the basis of how you are dealing with stressful situations.
I would say, to be honest, guys, I would say, institute gives you all the resources you need. The main part is on you. You have to grow yourself. You have to use those resources yourself. Nobody's gonna force you to grow.
Concentrate on the practicals. The practicals has more value in the market. Better you have to utilize all the resources which are provided in the college, which will help you to improve yourself, build your abilities.
So just be confident.
So that's the only mantra of success over here, nothing else.